Is this your first ball? It is. Yeah, you excited? You excited?
Aiden's having some sort of naked time this morning.
It's not safe to let him be totally naked. No.
No.
Not unless you want to get squirted. Yeah, you do that. You do. Who's this? Oh, was there an elephant on your belly? Is there an elephant on your belly? Agoo. He's a little congested.
Want to do the big kicks that you were doing?
Agoo.
Agoo.
Agoo. Are you talking to mommy?
Uh-oh. We're rolling over.
Oh, we don't want to do that. No. We don't want to do that. It's not a naked time.
It's time for PJs again.
Is it football day? You love football. Is it football day? Is it?
Yes.
Yay. But Mizzou's not playing, are they?
No.
Oh. Agoo.
Say hi to all your family.
Can you say hi? And look at the camera.
Grandmas and papas, cousins, aunts, uncles. Say hi. Oh, that was it. That's Aiden's hi, everybody.
Are you gurgling?
Love you. Bye-bye.
Are you